Hello, welcome to this tutorial explaining how to create a classroom website using Weebly.com. Weebly is a website builder with easy to use templates to create a professional look for blogs, online stores, and for this tutorial, classroom websites. So let's begin by going to the site Weebly.com. This website is simple to use because of its popular drag and drop formulation. This makes the website more manageable without losing customization to your own liking. So let's scroll down and click Get Started. And you're just going to create an account. Since I already have one, I'm going to log in to mine. All right, add a new site. All right, so once you make your account, you're basically going to see this page right here where you select a theme. So at this point, you can just scroll through all the themes that you would like and pick the one that you think would best fit your classroom. So I'm going to choose Zoe's dish that has this delicious on its preview. So you click on that. You can still look at what the creator has created for you to preview. And if you're satisfied with this preview, you can start editing. All right, creating your site. All right, so next, once you have pictured your template, you have to create a domain, which is your website name. So up here, these are the ones that you have to pay for. This is if you already have a domain that you're currently paying for. And on the bottom is a free account. So you can create your own name. I'll just do my last name, Palmer. You can say class just to have something. Might want to do a number 2018. And it's available. So once you see that, you can go to the top and press continue. All right, now, so you see the scroll bar on the sidebar on the left side. This is where we do all of our customizations and also across the top of the website. For your classroom website, I will show you how to customize your own text, your background, add a photo gallery, a calendar, and also include files and hyperlinks to other helpful websites. And you can also upload your homework or just additional practice that you would like to use in your classroom. All right, so first let's talk about the text box. If you hover your mouse over any text, you will see a text box appear like this blue box right here. This text right here is actually not an actual text box, it's an image that the creator uploaded. So if you would rather not have delicious for a classroom website, which I'm sure you don't, then you just hover it, don't click it, and then go over to the X on the top right hand corner and just delete that box. And every time you delete something, it's going to ask, are you sure? So that's your moment to make sure you don't delete it forever. And if you're okay with deleting it, you can click that button. Now for a text box, you hover your mouse over just like we did the delicious word, and then you click in the box one time. And this is where you can start typing your own words straight into the box. So you can say, welcome first, or welcome Miss Palmer's first grade class. And from here, you see different customizations up here. You can click different colors. You can also make it bold, bigger, smaller, whatever you want to do. You have a bunch of options. Now, also, the way that we hovered over the text box is the same way that you change your background. So you just move your mouse anywhere on the picture in the back. You click, and down here it says Edit Background. So click on Edit Background, and you can press Replace. From here, you can upload your own picture, which I will do. And you can move it around however you like to your liking, and make sure you press save. Now, the Weebly also comes with pictures already on the website. So if I were to click edit background again, replace, maybe I don't want to upload my own picture, X out, and you see all of these other options that come with the website. All right, so I like that. You can always go back and play around with your text box. All right, so now that we know how to do any text, we are going to move on to adding a photo gallery. So you can do this by adding another page. So by the way, your pages of your website are up here on the top right-hand corner, where it says home. Right now we're on the home page. Oh, if you scroll down, you can put your own picture there if you would like. If you do not want that, of course, you can click the X. Same thing here, and delete the whole section. Same thing on the bottom, but that's when you go back and play around with it. But we're going to go ahead and go to another tab, and we're going to add some pictures. Maybe you want to keep your parents up to date what we're doing in the classroom. So you can either do one of these tabs that's already made for you, or you can go up here on the top bar of the Weebly website and press pages. Then on the sidebar, you have your pages sidebar, and you press the plus to add another page. Now we're going to add a standard page. There are other pages, blog, category, product, external, but we're going to add a standard page. And that page will be our pictures. And you can always go back and edit the names. Done. If you want to change the home name, you can go back and change that to welcome, maybe. Welcome. It saves already. Click back. So now we go back to build. And now you should have our pictures on the top of your website. All right. So just like we did a background, we're going to drag and drop one of the features from the Weebly sidebar. So to do pictures, you can either do gallery. Let's do gallery first. Drag gallery somewhere on your website. Then now it says upload image. Do one click and you can pick a file from your computer. So we'll just pick one of my pictures. And there it is. Now you have that on your picture tab. However, you can do more pictures and you can make it more professional by doing a slideshow. So I'm going to take this one off and show you how to do a slideshow. You just go, instead of doing gallery, you hit slideshow, obviously. Drag and drop, and you can pick any style that you wish. I will do thumbnails on the bottom. Continue. Upload photos from my computer. So I'm just gonna go for it. Do all of them. Open. So that's 12 pictures being uploaded right now. All right, upload complete. So we make sure we hit save. And now you have a whole slideshow for the parents to view and students. And you can also customize this by clicking inside of the box. Transition style, speed, however you want. You can watch it. Just hit play. All right, so let's not forget to go back and customize our text, our class pictures. And of course, you can always change the background. All right, let's move on to adding helpful links and maybe practice homework and practice videos. So let's do another page. Standard. Let's say practice. Go back to build so we can customize it. All right, so on our practice page, we're going to drag and drop a new section. So under structure, here's section. And I prefer to use the featured. They have all these other types of layouts. I do featured. Click on that. So with features, it's pretty much highlighting different events which the creator made, but we're going to use it to highlight other websites that the students can work on at home. So in my classroom, we use Compass Learning. So I'm going to replace this picture, the first picture, with the image from Compass Learning. So basically what I did was just take a screenshot of this web page, which on a Mac is Shift Command 4. And you can make a box around what you want to take a picture of. Then go back to Weebly, replace image, upload. There it is. And I'm also going to do one more website. I'm going to do the ABC the same way. Upload. All right, I'm just going to do those two websites. I'm going to delete this. Hover over it, delete. And I like how it kind of shifts to make it even. There we go. And then just go back and label Compass Learning. abc.com. You can put your own caption. But what I would rather have is a link. So you can either put it on the picture or insert a button and let the kids click the button to go to that website. So on your sidebar, under basic, you have button. So drag and drop it. I'm gonna put one under ABC. And you can even type inside of that button. Click to go. Now, what I need to do is go back to Compass Learning. We're gonna highlight, copy, and paste. So copy it from the link, the web page. Go back and click, hover over, click to go. Click it one time and press link. That way you can paste the URL directly into the box. And I prefer it to be open into another window. That way you won't have to worry about going back, and it's easier. So it's already saved. And the same thing for ABC. Copy, hover over the box, click, and paste the URL link. And of course, you can go back and center your buttons. Oops. Alright, so we have those two hyperlinks in the website, and I'm also going to include a YouTube video. If you scroll down, we have a YouTube button, so we're going to drag and drop it down to another section. And we are, in my classroom, we're talking about telling time. So if you click inside of the box, you can put a YouTube link. I'll do this one, time to the hour, copy, paste, and just that quick, it goes right there. And you can also include a file document that your students can print off at home. So I've dragged and dropped file, and I have a file on my computer that I can upload. Telling time worksheet, and we can rename that file tell time. There it is. That way the parents and students can both watch the video together and go print off this page and practice it together. So that's a great way to connect the classroom with the teacher and the parents and the students. A big happy community. Of course, you can go back and add all of your captions. Let's say fun websites. You can also change the background of sections, edit background. You can do colors, videos for if you pay for the upgrade, add image, and they have a lot of different categories. Save. But it's just something to play around with. You can also add your About Me. With About Me, you can also do an email or a new contact form or a newsletter through a contact form. That way your parents can email you directly. And you can, by hovering over submit and clicking submit, you can put whatever email you want their message to be sent to, and the parents will not know which email it is. They will just submit it on this website. All right, so this website, it definitely has a lot of different features to it. For time's sake, it takes a while to play around with it, but you can see how much we have done just that quickly, just by editing the text. The background looks so much more professional just by doing the text in the background, adding pictures, doing different links, practice pages. It is fun and interactive for the kids and the parents. You can always go back and delete these extra pages just by going to pages. Hit the little the name of the page and click delete if you do not want that. So we didn't do contact because on the about me, we have contact. So we're going to delete that. Instead of about me, we can title that contact. Delete blog. Link page. Now it's good to have a link page. You can always include your school website. Let's do copy this link to my school. Pages, link page, and just copy and paste inside of this box. That way it will open in a new tab. Oh, let's click new tab. Once your full website is completed, you can always press publish in the top right hand corner, And anytime you can go back and edit your website, update it, whatever you want to do. To save time, I'm going to show you guys the website that I was playing around with. And of course, I use the same picture, something simple, just to show you. I have a link to my school website here, fun websites to explore, a map of the school, a telephone number, pictures, slideshow of pictures, practice page that we did together, a calendar. And with your calendar, if you already have a Google Calendar, you can sync that calendar into your website. And I also include a link outside of this website, outside of Weebly, to go to my school website. So I hope you gained a better understanding of the uses and features of Weebly.com. There are so many features and it's so simple to use, and I hope you are able to customize it for your classroom, your parents, and your students' liking. Thank you for watching.